Hey guys, I'm just on my way out the door to go do some work. Got my coffee. I love you, a latte. And I wanted to tell you about the Ideas to Offers workshop happening on Thursday. And during this workshop, I just want to give you basically the foundation of what I do in my business to turn ideas into offers. So it's really just taking the information, the skills, talents, abilities, the things that you can do, writing them down, putting them on video, creating an audio, whatever fits you, right? Creating a presentation, whatever works for you, in whatever way works for you, to share the knowledge you have and turn it into a product. So let's talk about that. I want to answer your questions. I will create and share a presentation for you. It will be something that you can take action on. I have a workbook included. It's only $17. And this is basically my business, how I run my business right now, how I generate income and create this laptop lifestyle where I get the freedom to kind of start working at 10 because I was surfing around looking at purses and work when I want, where I want, with who I want, on what projects I want. I get to do all that great stuff. And this is the foundation of it. It's creating digital products. And the Ideas to Offers workshop is going to tell you how to do that. I'm going to show you what I do, share it with you, and give you the foundation that you can get started. The Ideas to Offers workshop was an idea, and then it was an offer within an hour. And within a few hours, I had at least 10 people signed up. We have over 40 signed up right now. I'd love to help 100 people. So come on and sign up. Join us. It's tomorrow, 1 p.m. Eastern, or you can grab the recording. It's only $17, and I think you'll find it's worth your time. Talk soon, guys. Bye.